In 1945, a multi-million-dollar German submarine was completely destroyed by a single catastrophic toilet flush. The U-1206 featured a revolutionary high-pressure toilet system designed to discharge waste at extreme depths. But the mechanical friction was a highly complex sequence of valves. When the captain opened the wrong valve by mistake, high-pressure seawater surged backward into the submarine. The toxic mix of salt water hit the sub's giant electric batteries, generating clouds of deadly chlorine gas that forced the crew to surface and scuttle the ship. Is this history's most embarrassing military failure? Subscribe to Fact and Friction, and let's argue. Over-engineering solved a minor inconvenience, but created a fatal vulnerability. In war, engineering is destiny. Stay curious.